Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE Blade A71 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere, install this free app, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android or ZTE. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you need to choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your ZTE smartphone and Receive at the bottom of an Android one. Finally, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, click on one of those options, choose Close this window and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and then pointing your device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!